How's it going, people? Welcome back to the food vlog. Today I'm making pizza toast in the CalmDo Air Fryer Oven. The ingredients I used: 1 green chili, finely chopped. Yes, I like my pizza hot. Chop up a few green olives. I also chopped up some baby plum tomatoes, but you can use any type, and also some chopped onions. So next up, grab 2 slices of bread. You can actually make 6 slices in one go if you like. Now for the base sauce, I'm going to be using some Nando medium peri peri sauce, and if you don't have it, you can use any chili sauce to make this work. So just drizzle a little bit in the middle of the bread and grab a spoon and slightly spread out that sauce. Next up, grab some tomato ketchup and squeeze some of that good stuff in the middle of both slices, just like before, and spread it all out with a spoon. Now we're going to add some grated cheddar. Now I do like to add cheese first and the toppings on top of the cheese, because when it's finished cooking it just looks more colourful and presentable that way. So next up we're going to add all our toppings, and there is no specific order. You can just add as much or as little as you like, and don't limit yourself. You can add sweet corn, pineapple, meats, anything you like, but definitely a great way to get some fresh veg in our diet. Now press the power button, select the toast preset and set it to level 3, and 3 minutes later you will have yourself a beautifully cooked pizza toast which will absolutely dazzle your taste buds. Now this is my own pizza toast recipe that I've been using for many years, so do try it yourself. Even if you don't have an air fryer, give it a shot in your regular grill, you won't be disappointed. Now what I like especially about this air fryer is how evenly this has cooked. In a regular grill, sometimes the sides and the crust get overcooked or even burnt. This pizza toast has cooked evenly on both sides and all the way around. I'm actually quite impressed with the result. So stay tuned, lots more to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.